Yeah. So now the goods movement has been posted. You can see the GMPS has been posted. This is the main important thing here because this is a consumption here. Okay, let's see the consumption has been posted. Okay, so if your particular setup everything is done. Okay, so now you can go back. So now the consumption is done, in the sense, go to the core 2 and you can see the cost here and go to the analysis here. If you go for the cost and analysis over here, so you will be seeing the raw material consumption over here with the cost. Yes, you can see that. So you can see the input material cost. Okay, so it is automatically taking the actual cost. Okay, from where this actual cost is taking from? This actual cost is taking from the metal master, because already in the metal master we just maintained that. Okay, for an example, if you go for the metal master here, okay, if you go for the metal master here, okay, for this material, okay, for this material, if you go for this accounting one, so what is the cost of this material is 100 rupees per material. Okay, one material is 100 rupees. So what is the total material here? So total 2 material we have consumed, right? 2 quantities we have consumed. So total cost is 200 rupees. Okay, perfectly king. Okay, this is the consumption cost, because we are just taking the cost. Okay, we are loading all the cost into it. So then only we can able to see, okay, how much we are spending for each and every production. Because we are selling a product, right? We are selling a product in the sense, so we need to know what is the manufacturing cost. For an example, we are selling a product for 100 rupees, but the manufacturing cost is, okay, so 60 or 70 rupees means, okay, 30 rupees is a profit for us. Okay, but you are manufacturing for 100 rupees. Okay, but again you are selling for 100 rupees means, okay, there is no profit. Okay, and sometimes you are giving a discount and you are selling for 90 rupees. Okay, totally you are in loss. So for making that very clear, okay, so you're getting a benchmark of margin. So this cost is very, very important. Okay, right. So now you can go back. Okay, so now it is clear. Okay, so we are getting a consumption and all other things here. So next thing what we need to do is, okay, once you done this one, okay, I think we have done all these things here. Okay, so now this particular part, okay, so we are done with till this part. Okay, so we have done with this part. Now we need to do the execution. Okay, execution is a production. Okay, we are started doing the production, because we got the order and we got the components and everything is done. So now the production supervisor can able to initiate that order. Okay, they can initiate the order and they can process that, and all these things are fine. So now the thing is, okay, we need to give a confirmation over here. What is this confirmation? The confirmation is nothing but, so everyone is looking for the confirmation. If a production, okay, if a top management wants to see what is the status of this production, they will look into only the confirmation report. Okay, so in which stage it was, okay, in which stage this particular order was, okay, when it will complete, what is an approximate thing, everything they can able to find it over here with this confirmation, because we are giving a confirmation. Okay, maybe you have some 2-3 operations, sequence of operations you want to do. So when you confirm first one, they will see that, okay, the first operation is completed. So within 1 hour, the other 2 will be completed. Like that, they will automatically get some prediction. Especially this will be very important for the customer orders, because the customer is waiting. Okay, so you can get the live status using this confirmation is very important. And we need to do a configuration also. First, I will just open that page. Okay, you will get that one. So take this order. Now we have taken this component for consumption. So now after doing the production, now you can see the production is complete. Okay, physically the production is completed. So now I need to confirm this one, because if I do physically, no one knows, right? Everyone is looking into the system. So the system, I need to confirm something. Okay, I need to go and, okay, give a button that, okay, so I have completed the work. So it means it's a confirmation. So what is the T code we have for the confirmation is, it is CO11N. Okay, so very important T code over here. CO11N is a confirmation, okay, T code over here. Okay, in this particular CO11N, okay, if you give an enter, so you will be getting the complete, enter the time ticket for production. Time ticket means, okay, whenever they are completing that, so they will just come and punch this. Okay, this is like a milestone. Okay, they are completing, they are just giving a confirmation over here. So give the order over here. Okay, just give the order. Okay, and what you need to do is just click on this actual data. actual data means already you have given the data in the routing and all these things, right? So what is the time and what are the things, okay? So maybe, okay, all the things you have given, if that is there, we have given, okay, we just automatically it will come this one, okay? Just click on this actual data. Yes. Okay, so according to the factory calendar, okay, so today is not a working day, okay, maybe, okay, so that is based on the working calendar is working, it's okay. So given enter, yeah, so that's not a problem, just it's a warning here, and you can see all the information came. You got a confirmation number, okay, you got this operation, okay, all these things came in the sequence, okay, everything is perfect here. Now what we need to do is, okay, yes, so you want to give a final confirmation over here. Okay, you want to give a final confirmation over here, and you want to give the activities also. I think we have not given any activities, I think so, I think we missed. Okay, but for the MTO, I think we can give that. So we need to maintain the activity, especially we need to maintain the work center. I think we just forgot to maintain the work center. So I think for MTO, we can correct it up. So here we need to give the activity. How much time we took, okay, for completing this operation and all those things, the timing we need to give here. So how we are getting the raw material cost, how much raw material we are consuming, so that cost we are getting automatically, right? The same time the operation activity, maybe you are using a machine or labor or whatever, so the activity cost, how much time the machine has worked, how much labor has worked, what is the time, that all things you need to give. So this is the operational cost. So that is a material cost earlier we had, this is an operational cost. So operational cost plus material cost, so in combined it will give a manufacturing cost. Okay, simple formula. Okay, so now you can give all these things. Okay, you can see how much is yield and the confirmation type. You can do the partial confirmation also. Now I'm going to do the final confirmation because this is the only operation, because I don't have multiple operation. I've given only one. Okay, maybe in MTO, when we go for MTO, we can give multiple operation. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, for this one I just given only one. I cannot do and reversal all these things. So let's go for only one. So I'm giving a final confirmation here. Okay, after giving the final confirmation, so what I need to give is, so I need to give this clear open reservation. What is this clear open reservation means? Okay, we are going to close this production if any unwanted reservations or something is there. Okay, sometime, okay, so sometime we will be getting earlier. Okay, so we will be getting an earlier. Okay, so sometime, okay, so we will be getting a material earlier before the release. Sometime the companies will get the material, so that time, so the reservation, whatever the reservation we have done, so that will be automatically, it will be there. So if you close this production order, so that our reservation will be always lying, okay, in ideal. So again and again it will make some problem here. So if you give this clear open reservation, so when you close this order, that reservation also will be closed along with that, if it is open. Okay, only if it is open. Okay, it's not in the normal case, only if it is open, so it will be closed. Okay, yes, so same thing, you need to give the activity and all these things. And if you want to give more precise time, okay, you can give it over here. What is the start time and what is the end time? So if you want more accuracy, okay, so for automotive industry, all these things, they need more accuracy, because if you take a best example is Toyota. So Toyota, if you take Toyota Innova, for an example, Innova car, okay, one Innova, so it will take maximum 14 minutes, okay, only 14 minutes to manufacture one car, 14 minutes. So they will be very precise in the timing. So they will have the starting time and they will have an end time on all this thing. Within 14 minutes, a car will be manufactured in Toyota. So like that, they will just go for it. Okay, and also if you have any break time in between this order, you can mention that. Okay, so these all things will give some good analytic report. Okay, so where it failed, why it just came, okay, all this thing you can able to find. Sometimes the machine will not work, so we should have a break time on this, and you can mention the text also, what is the text and all these things. Okay, and also you can able to mention the shift also. Okay, so what is the shift you want? Okay, so how we maintain the work center, based on that we can able to plan. Okay, now what, after doing this, what we can do is just give a save. So you will be giving a confirmation here. Okay, so it's all about the date. Yeah, you can see that the confirmation is saved. Now if you go for the order, okay, go for the order CO02 and go for the order, and there you can able to see the status. Now the status is released and confirmed. Okay, this is the status over here. It is released and it is confirmed. Okay, and also we have a report. Okay, we have one beautiful report and comment report. Okay, also it is a very common report here. So that report, okay, we can able to say this as a, okay, so we can call it as quiz. Okay, so quiz, or you can say COOIS. So the production information system. Okay, so production information system, so where you can get all the reports you're getting. So you don't need any customization report over here. So everything in default you will be getting over here. Okay, everything in default you will be getting over here. Okay, so you can go with the production order wise or metal wise, whatever, you will get everything over here. And operational wise, component wise, everything you can able to get it in one report. It's a very important report for the production. So now I'll put the production order here. Okay, now I want to see the status of this production order. Okay, I'll just give this order number over here. Okay, then I'm just changing the list. Okay, here also you can see varieties of list here. So which particular thing you need to see? Okay, I need to see only the confirmation. Okay, I don't need to see anything here. So you can see the components separately, capacity separately, operation separately, like that. Okay, I just want to see the confirmations. Okay, click on the confirmation, and what I can do is, okay, just execute that. So you will see only related to the confirmation, you can see that one. And you can see the indication, okay, indication for final confirmation. Okay, so this will give a clarity. Okay, so how much quantity done, so what is the final confirmation, when it is done. Even if you want more clarity, date, time and all these things also, you can go. Okay, you can click on this play button, it will give you an expanded option. You can see expand option, and you can change the layout. Okay, whatever the layout you want, you can able to set that. You can go for this option. Okay, it shows layout, go for it, and there you can see the change layout. Click on that, and you will be having lot of hidden fields. On the left side you can see these all the displayed fields, what you have, what you are seeing in the system. But on the right side you can see these are all the hidden fields. You can add all the hidden fields whatever you want. Okay, for an example, I just want the confirmation. Okay, so put it on the left side. Okay, and you can able to see changed. Okay, so okay, entered by user. Who entered this? Okay, and created on. Okay, put the created on. So confirmation entry time. Okay, so on the normal time. Okay, and for an example, if you have any variance, all this thing, we didn't give that one, so you can put that also. And also you have another informations also. Okay, I think break time we not given, right? Yes, so this is fine. Okay, what are the information you want, you just give that one, and you can save the template also. If you want to like to have a save template, you can have n number of templates over here, and you can save that one, so you don't need to do it again and again. So just give okay. Now you can see very perfectly it was done. Okay, so who done this one, when it was created, and what is the time over here, everything is perfectly came over here. So with this information you can able to, okay, so wait, okay, so which order, okay, how much quantity, how much time it will take, everything you will be getting it in real time thing here. Okay, real time. You don't need to go to the production and ask all the information, or earlier we will be having every production bay, we will be having a board in front of that. In that board they will be mentioning that, okay, so this order, first operation is done, second is done, like that they will tick on the board. Okay, now everything is digitized, right? So you can able to see here in the live system without going to the production bay, you will get that. Even I can monitor this from anywhere. Okay, I don't need to be available in the production bay. That is the thing here, right? Yes, I hope it is clear. Yeah, so now you can see, okay, so till this release and confirmed is ready. So now what is the next step? Okay, so you can able to see this one. What is the next step over here? We are going to receive that. Okay, we are going to receive that information, because we need the FG stock, right? We need the FG stock, that is the final thing. So now we need to do the receipt over here. Okay, so we are going to do the receipt over here. Okay, receipt in the sense, okay, we are bringing the stock back. Okay, so we have just consumed the raw material, now the FG has been manufactured. Okay, that FG we are bringing back. Okay, we are bringing back the FG over here. So again we need to go to the MIGO. Okay, so take this order and go to the MIGO here. Okay, or you can do the back flushing. Back flushing is automatic receipt. For an example, during this confirmation itself, you can able to do the receipt automatically. Okay, you don't need to do again and again. Okay, so don't need to do it manually. Some companies will prefer to do it manually, so they want to feel that. But some company they can do the back flushing. Okay, back flushing, automatic conception and automatic receipt. Okay, for that you need to activate that. Okay, for that you need to activate that here. So if you go to MM02 and take the final product, okay, and you need to activate that. Okay, so if you go for this MRP, okay, and you need to activate that backflushing over here. Okay, so go for the backflushing. Just a minute. Where the backflushing is gone. I think we are not activated, right? I think it is hidden, I think so. Okay, so here where the backflushing will be there. Okay, anyway, so I'll show you that. Okay, let's create one new material and I'll show you for the next case. Okay, if you activate the backflush, what will happen is, okay, so this receipt will happen automatically. If the particular person wants, okay, if a user wants like that. So now what I can do is, okay, now I want to receive this order. So my order is completed, my production is completed, okay, my setup is ready. So now what I need to do is I need to receive this. Okay, I need to receive this here. Okay, I'll go to the Migo again. Okay, I'll go for the goods receipt. Okay, instead of issue, I'm going for receipt against order. Okay, I'm giving that order number, the same order number here. Now, okay, earlier we have consumed the raw material. Now we are going to receive the final FG. What is the final FG we are getting up? So that we are going to do over here and just execute here. And there you can see the final FG came here. And you can see the detailed data also. You can see the final FG. Okay, and you can see the quantity, how much quantity we have. And you can see the where, you can see the different movement type. Okay, different movement type over here. Okay, you can see the different movement type over here, which is 101, which is dedicated for the goods receipt over here. Okay, and you can see the order data, you will have order data and all this thing, and you can see the delivery completed indicator set automatically. So what will happen if you complete, if you just post this document, automatically in the order, okay, in the order, that status will be changed to delivered. Okay, delivered, and the delivery indicator will be automatically added. So because we have seen the delivery indicator, right, that will happen. Okay, go for additional data. Okay, these all things, okay, normal thing here. So let's go for this. Okay, let's activate this. Okay, I'm going for this. Okay, I'm going to give a check. Okay, and post. Okay, before posting, I'll just check the stock here. Okay, so let's check the stock. So go to MMBE and check the final FG stock over here. What is the stock which is available? Okay, we don't have any stock. Okay, perfect. We don't have any stock here. So let's do the stock over here. Okay, let's do the posting over here. Yes, so it is done here. Now you can refresh here. Okay, so you will be getting a stock of okay, so you are not getting the stock here. Okay, let me check for the display. So I think due to the story location, I think we didn't give the story location. Yeah, so let me cancel this one. Okay, let me cancel this one and just try it again. Okay, post. Okay, I cancel this and again I'm just trying. Okay, goods receipt. Okay, against that order. Okay, I think the story location is freezed. Let me check what is the problem here. Okay, let me check whether we can give it over here. Okay, it's not taking the story location. That's the main thing here, because the story location should be there. Okay, or else we cannot be able to have. So what is the problem we can see? So let's get into CO02 and let's check. Okay, so in the goods receipt, yeah, goods receipt we have a storage location. Yes, then why it is not coming up? Okay, let me activate this also. So the delivery completion. Okay, I think it is not activated. Let me check that. Okay, go for Migo now and check the order and execute. Okay, enter. Okay, let me check now. So check. Okay, still the storage location is not coming. Okay, anyway, we'll check that. Okay, post. Okay, let me go for MMB and refresh. No, the stock is not coming up. I think there is a problem with the storage location. Okay, again I need to cancel this. Okay, why it is happening? Just a minute, we'll check this. So go to CO02. Okay, so here where we need to maintain. Okay, actually this was maintained over here. Okay, it was perfect. But why it is not coming up? Okay. Okay, why the story location is not coming up? Let me go for this component level. Okay, the component level, I think we missed this one. Yeah, so that is the problem here. I think we missed the story location over here. So that is why it is not coming on that particular point. Okay, so now we cannot able to update this. Okay, because it's all freezed. Because we need to update the story location. Okay, so then only we'll be getting this. Okay. Okay, let me try in the Migo. Okay, if any fields are freezed or something, we can try that. So go for receipt. Okay, so let me check for the settings. Okay, let me give this as a default. Okay, and let me check all these things. Okay, let me go back and come. Okay, let me try this. Okay, or else when you have a problem. No, still it is not taking the story location here. Okay, so we need to get the story location here. Okay, but why it is not coming up? That's a problem here. Okay, goods receipt against order is okay, so we are given the perfect thing. Okay, so everything is perfect here. So I think we missed something, I think so. Okay, so I think the story location, yes, it is not coming in the production order, that is okay, but at least we should get this option over here. Okay. Let me check now. Okay, let me check in the configuration one last time, or else okay, this order only we need to change it now. So where is the story location? Story location. Yeah, actually it is an input here. Okay, there is no problem at all. This one. Okay, it is just showing as an input. That's it. Okay, it's no difference at all here. Okay, then what's the problem here? Okay, let's check with the material. I think in material, I think we have given. I think so. Okay, in MRP, I think we have given. Yeah, so we have given the production story location also. Yes. Okay, so all the major things we have given here. Okay, so one last thing we can check. Okay, so these all things are default. Okay, I'm just checking up. Okay, but these all things are default here. Yeah, create story location automatically. Yeah, you can see this one. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, I think that is the problem. I think so. I think in the order we cannot able to take it up. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, what we can do. Yeah, yes.